Easy now, move along, keep the line straight. Next one, gently.
Keep them moving forward.
Dental health looks good on this one. How's the scan?
Everything appears normal. Let's move to the next bull.
The follicular wave looks good. Log that as a grade A.
Confirmed, grade A, and synchronization scheduled.
Okay, the ultrasound looks clear. Let's move him to station 3 for the blood work. Copy that, vet. Opening the chute now.
Looking good on this side. Keep the water moving. Keep the water moving. Keep them moving forward at a steady pace.
Check this section here, near the edge. Yes, I see the slight scarring. Recording it now.
The precision on this batch is perfect. The temperature seems stable now.
Yes, the color saturation is perfect. We can continue the rotation.
Smooth finish, just what the client wanted.
Absolutely consistent across the hide.
This batch looks good. The texture is very uniform. Agreed. I've logged it as approved for the product section.
From raw material to master craft, this is the pride of the Epic Factory.